Let's consider a task for power transformer maintenance in an electrical power or grid station. Hazards associated with these tasks include electrical shock, arc flash, fire, crushing, slip, trip, and fall hazards in the switchyard, exposure to energized equipment, chemical hazards from insulation medium like oil and SF6 gases, and composition. We can apply the hierarchy of controls to mitigate these risks. Level 1, Elimination. De-energize the transformer before starting maintenance. Ensure all electrical connections are disconnected, and verify the transformer is safely grounded. Remove any hazardous materials or equipment from the area. Level 2, Substitution. Replace traditional transformers with safer, more modern designs that reduce the maintenance interval. Consider using transformers with built-in safety features, such as overload protection. Substitute hazardous materials with safer alternatives. Level 3, Engineering Controls. Install safety barriers around the transformer to prevent unauthorized access. Implement electrical isolation procedures to prevent accidental energization. Use insulated tools and equipment to prevent electrical shock. Ensure automatic operation and built-in primary earthing system. Implement interlocking systems to prevent accidental startup. Install fire suppression systems and smoke detectors. Level 4, Administrative Controls. For lockout/tagout procedure. Ensure all electrical connections are disconnected. Verify the transformer is safely grounded. Use lockout/tagout devices to prevent accidental energization. For permits, issue right safety document. Ensure all personnel involved in maintenance have the necessary permits and sanctions, and limit access to the transformer to authorized personnel only. For maintenance procedure, ensure proper scheduling and planning of maintenance activities. Include steps for pre-maintenance checks, maintenance tasks, and post-maintenance checks. Ensure all personnel involved in maintenance are authorized and competent to perform the task with the procedure. Provide training and ensure personnel are authorized and competent in performing the task. Conduct regular safety audits and risk assessments. Identify potential hazards and risks associated with maintenance activities, and implement measures to mitigate or eliminate identified hazards and risks. Level 5, Personal Protective Equipment. Provide and use PPE such as insulated gloves, safety glasses, hard hats, and safety harnesses to protect workers from electrical shock and other hazards. Ensure PPE is properly fitted and worn at all times during maintenance. Consider additional PPE such as respirators for chemical hazards and safety harnesses for fall protection. Ensure all PPE is regularly inspected and maintained. By applying the hierarchy of controls, we can systematically reduce the risks associated with power transformer maintenance and ensure a safer working environment for all. Please note that this is a general guide and specific procedures may vary depending on the specific task, location, and regulations.
For Quiz 3, correct answer, B, again. Elimination is the most effective way to mitigate risks. For power transformer maintenance, this means de-energizing the transformer, disconnecting electrical connections, and ensuring safe grounding.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on electrical safety and industry best practices. Share this video with your colleagues and friends who may benefit from this information. And don't forget to hit that like button to show your support.